welcome to a new video on AI World for You. In this video, I would like to clearly give you the differences between A-star algorithm and AO-star algorithm. These two algorithms are informed search algorithms, but let us see the key differences between the two. So let us begin by comparing each feature. The first feature I have considered here is type of search. So both these algorithms will come under best first search because they will proceed in the path of least cost. And coming to the search strategy, here both these will come under informed search category because they will use the heuristic information to compute the next path. Coming to the graph type, A star can be used only for OR graphs, whereas AO star can be used for OR as well as AND graph. Coming to the optimality, here A star algorithm will always find the optimal solution because it will explore the path each and every one, and here AO star algorithm may not always guarantee the optimality because while updating the heuristics, the values get changed and we may not always reach the shortest path. Coming to the next one, which is path exploration. How the path exploration takes place in A star, it will explore all the possible paths. Whereas for AO star algorithm, it will stop exploring once a valid solution is found. Coming to the memory usage, in A star, memory usage is more because it needs to store the information about each and every visited node. Whereas in AO star, since it does not explore all the nodes, the memory consumption is also minimal. Coming to the risk of infinite loops, here this A star algorithm may enter endless loops because it may be checking again and again in the same place. Whereas AO star algorithm will not enter into any endless loop because the heuristic values are updated, and although backtracking is done, because of the updated values, it will go in the path of least cost. Coming to the applications, A star algorithm can be used in path finding and games and routing problems, and AO star algorithm can be used with problem reduction and planning with sub-goals. I hope the differences between A star and AO star algorithm are clear. If you have any doubts, kindly drop your suggestions and comments in the comment section. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.